Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to look at using aiERP to generate BPM business rules. For this one, we're going to use the BPM flowchart for sales orders. We'll add our rule onto the confirmed status. We'll click Create with AI, and we'll tell AI what we want it to do. We'll press Enter. This will then generate us the BPM rule to send the marketing user an email when the status of this document reaches confirmed and the profit is below 20%. We can then click Save, and that's added the rule in for us. Thank you.